Hey guys, Richard here. So in this review I want to talk about Pockitz. Now in a nutshell, this is an application that in theory will allow you to pinch other people's videos and make money yourself. Now I'm going to take you straight into the members area. We'll have a look around here and then really I'm going to discuss this tactic with you and tell you why I think this is very, very dangerous and is more than likely to get your account banned very, very quickly. So Pockitz is due to be released on Tuesday, 27th of October at 9 AM Eastern. It comes from Jason Fulton and Sean Ugundelli. Now during this review we'll go through the product, we'll go through the members area, I'll take you through the sales page, we'll talk about the upgrades, I'll tell you what's good about this product and what's not so good about this product, and I'll take you through my summary. And guys, as usual, these reviews are based on my own experience, based on many years online buying products just like this one, and in this case having a YouTube channel which I've been building for about a year and understanding exactly what's needed to get traffic on YouTube. So let's have a quick product overview. So there's no computer required using this brand new app. It's a brand new done for you money making system. There's no email list needed. There's no website needed. There's no computer needed. You can do this from anywhere. This does not involve cold calling or anything offline. There's a free traffic getting app included apparently. You create a passive income while you sleep, and you go from $0 to $517 in 24 hours, and there's a case study included. Now that's a very oddly specific number obviously, but they have got a case study in here which I'm going to talk to you a little bit about. So guys, just before we start, my name is Richard Darby, this is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to this channel before and you're interested in understanding how to start a business online, go ahead and hit the subscribe and the notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you're looking to start a long-term sustainable business online, go ahead and check out the free resource. You'll find the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and we'll take you through the whole process step by step. So let's jump straight into the members area and I'm going to talk to you about this product. So jump straight into the members area. Now you'll see that I'm actually on my PC here. Now in theory, you can use this app without using your PC. So you can use it on your phone and your iPad and whatever. Now when I actually tried to use this on my phone, what you actually get is this kind of squished web page view. It's not really an application that you would download from the iStore or Google Store. This is actually just a squashed web page, and a lot of times you have to scroll across to understand what you're writing. So to my mind, this isn't actually an application. This is just a web page that you can use on a mobile, which is kind of what every web page is, right? So I tried to use this on my mobile. I wasn't really happy with showing you in this view, so I'm going to show you it on my laptop itself. Now if you look at the top here, what this actually is just an application that allows you to go into YouTube, search for videos, download videos, add a new thumbnail to those videos, and then re-upload those videos as if they're yours. Now in the actual demonstration, they're actually even showing you videos that they've downloaded that you're not supposed to be able to download because they're not Creative Commons. So I'm going to actually show you this now and explain to you why I think some of this is a big issue for you. So here we have the search functionality, and you start off with either a video search, a channel search, or a playlist search. So you can actually go ahead and specifically search various things on your YouTube channel. So here's the search function under YouTube video now, and there's lots and lots of different options you've got to search for people's videos, right? You've got keyword, limit, order, published before, published after, location, radius, channel ID, event type, could be a broadcast, could be complete, could be live, video type, could be any episode, movie, lots of variety here, right? But the only one that really counts is the license. Now there's three types of license. You can have any, Creative Commons, or standard YouTube. Now every type of video apart from Creative Commons you are not allowed to just download and then re-upload as your own. It's not being agreed by the vendor that you do that. Now when you embed a video, what you do is you take the video and embed it in your website, but it can be very easily clicked on to get back to the channel that video comes from, which is why people allow it to be embedded. But you can't just download it, take out the audio, put some music in, and then have that as your own video to start using. Now in their actual demo, they show Sean, one of the vendors, downloading a jacked ATM video and then re-uploading it as his own. So that's not allowed because that review was done by somebody else. And if you start downloading these videos, you're very, very quickly going to find people are going to give you copyright strikes and have you banned from YouTube. So if I go on to YouTube itself quickly, I'm going to show you how that's done. So this is my own channel. If I come into my manage videos section, I can hit copyright here, and then I can actually see if any of my videos are actually copyrighted, which you see here I've already had to remove in July. So if you are going to start doing this, you're going to end up with copyright strikes if the vendors aren't happy with you using those videos. Now the only ones you can use are Creative Commons. Now Creative Commons have an issue again in the fact that they might not be Creative Commons. They might say they are, but somebody else might have nicked them and put Creative Commons on the bottom. So it's a very, very poor way of kind of having a business on YouTube, because you never really know that you can use those videos. The only real way to have a business on YouTube is by creating videos yourself and being unique. That's the only real way. All of these kind of applications that are trying to shortcut the process won't work in the long term. They really won't. So if I just go here and I just say, I don't know, aquarium fish for beginners, I'm going to search for videos that are Creative Commons. It's going to give me a couple of these videos. Now the idea is you would have this video, you would download it into the application, you would obviously use the tag keywords they have, and then you would re-upload it. Now very quickly YouTube is going to see that as duplicate content and it will start dropping in rankings. Now you're always going to get rankings initially when you upload, because YouTube likes to try things out and it likes to see if people are going to watch that video. But as soon as they start flagging it as duplicate content, it's going to drop very, very quickly. So it's not a very good tactic for actually running a business on YouTube. Now if I just check one of these, I'm just going to check they are Creative Commons. I'm assuming they are. And again, you're going to have a channel full of these videos, for instance, that are not actually your videos. They're going to be somebody else's voice, somebody else speaking, and the whole thing isn't going to be very congruent. So this is the actual video itself. And there you go. So this one is allowed to be used, which is fair enough. However, you don't know whether that's real. So that could be somebody else who actually nicked this, or it could be genuine. So it's very, very difficult without actually reaching out to this vendor to really figure out whether this video is allowed to be used. Now let me just have a quick look to see if there's any kind of reference to the vendor in the video. So you see at the end of the video here, you would actually have their subscribe here and this, unless you actually started trimming the video, etc. So again, Creative Commons is not a great way to go. It is possible to make videos with Creative Commons by slicing them up and making them into different videos, but you've got to be ultra careful that these videos are actually going to be ones that you can use. Anything else, any kind of videos that are other people's, you're just not allowed to use. And so the two examples that are actually in the training, neither I think are very good examples, because they're both reviews and they're both things that won't be marked as Creative Commons. Other things you can do on here is you can have some automation on here which allows you to schedule your video upload. You can have a thumbnail creator on here. If you want to create a new thumbnail, you can come in here and actually create a thumbnail, but you know, you don't need this. Use Canva or Thumbnail Blaster. Don't use some rubbish like this. There's no need for it. Canva is a much nicer option for thumbnail creation. You can rank your videos. You can use this keyword scraper and keyword suggestions, which is all right. And then you have some done for you options here, or you can go ahead and basically grab your affiliate links for these products. But if again, you can probably go ahead and use their own videos for these, because this is the vendor's products, right? But you're not going to rank anywhere. These products are done and gone. And with reviews especially, once that keyword has been searched for and the product is launched, unless it ends up being evergreen as something that people like and go back to time and time again, they soon die off. So nobody's actually searching for any of these products. So just be very careful with this, guys. I don't like this tactic at all. I think you're actually stealing other people's videos, especially if you follow their training. Now if I look at their training, one of these is a case study, and they're saying that they actually use this to promote something called Affiliate Weapon. Now Affiliate Weapon was actually one of this vendor's products, and when I actually looked into this vendor's channel, because all I needed to do is go on here and look into this vendor's channel, I wanted to know whether he's using this on a regular basis, because obviously this is the tactic he's going to use. The reality is this: when I look into their channel, look at these channel stats here. This is my channel, 600, 700, 800, whatever views a day. A bit of a glitch in YouTube there for some reason. 900 views, 500 views, 500 views. You know, so it's a steady 500-600 views a day. Their channel has absolutely nothing until they got to this point. Now that suggests to me these last two videos have only been uploaded 3 days ago, and they both have paid traffic. This one here is a demo that they actually had on the JV page for Affiliate Weapon, and a lot of the JVs that wanted to come along and promote this would have watched that demo. And this one here has no traffic whatsoever to it at the moment. The review is done and gone. It actually got released about a month ago, and this is all paid traffic. And the reason I know that is because when I look at it, this has 2,397 views and no comments. So that suggests to me that this isn't a genuine video. So I think that the money that they're saying they made in the case study is actually from affiliate sales of their own product. It's not actually from using this software. Now he's obviously a vendor of the product that he's showing you in this case study, and he would have had a big email list that he actually promoted this product on. So he's going to make money off that. I don't believe it's from this software. And the tutorial itself, if I just go through the tutorial, when I click through it, they'll show you how to actually build the site. Then when you get to this piece, look, he says he searches for any video, right? And you can't do that. You can't search for any video. And then you end up getting all these reviews that you can't use, right? Unless these vendors allow you to use them, you're not allowed to use these reviews. And then the actual advice is to download these, take the keywords, re-upload them, change the thumbnail, and then use them as your own. Completely baffling tactic, and you will get your channel banned very, very quickly. So guys, as far as I'm concerned, this is a complete waste of time and your money, because I think it's very, very dangerous for people to start stealing other people's videos and then re-uploading as if they're your own. So come over to the website, usual stuff, lots and lots of money being made, lots of 83s at the end for some reasons, obviously their favorite number at the moment. So let's just scroll through this. Again, always odd numbers at the end. That's a marketing tactic, guys. I hope you can see that. And there's a 100-day money back guarantee. Now when I look through this vendor's mastermind group, there's so many people in there that don't get any refunds, and their customer support is zero, guys. So believe me or not, it's up to you guys, but be warned. And I come down to the bottom, they're saying you're getting 4,779, again oddly specific number worth of value here, and you got to get it for 19 bucks. So let's look at the upgrades. The front end's $19, done for you affiliate profits is $37, automation is $197, 100 times editions $47, super affiliate edition $67, and the license rights is $77. And guys, if you really want to learn how to build a YouTube channel, I will put a link in my description below over to a video I recently did, and it's going to tell you how you can start a YouTube channel. And really, you just need to be making your own videos. Pros, I guess the software works. Cons, I think you're just stealing other people's videos, especially if you follow the advice given in the actual demo and the training. You will have copyright issues. Even if you use Creative Commons videos, you're likely to run into some issues because you don't always know whether they're Creative Commons. You'll get flagged for duplicate content on YouTube soon enough. It's a very, very poor quality mobile app. This isn't a mobile app. This is just a web page that you can use on a mobile. It's not a mobile app. I think this is very bad marketing advice. If you're a newbie, keep well away from this. They have poor customer service. That obviously goes without saying. And I don't think this is value for anybody. I'm going to give this a 0 out of 10. I think they're actually sharing a tactic with you that they don't use themselves. And it's very, very poor advice to give anybody who's trying to make any kind of money online. So guys, I hope that was of value to you. My name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to our channel before, go ahead and hit the subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I release new videos. And guys, if you're looking to build a real long-term sustainable business online, go ahead and check out my free resource. You'll find the link in the description below over to the School Nomads, and I'll take you through the whole process step by step. Until next time, guys, take care.